All right. Welcome everyone to day 4 of the 7 days live trading challenge with the BMM. We're having right. So having some echo on the background. Always happens. Um, Yesterday I was able to utilize this US 30 move. Okay. So first of all, the trade that we took with everyone yesterday during London session was this GBP card trade idea. It was super amazing. Okay, price was able to come here. Our BMM AI was able to give us a sell from this particular area, and after looking at all of our analysis, everything was in line and we were able to capitalize on this move, which was able to give us actually a 1:4, guys. Right, was able to give us a 1:4. If your stop loss was a little bit up here, still this could give you a 1:2. Okay, so that was a winning trade yesterday. Winning trade. Nasdaq also was able to show us that it is dropping. Gold also was able to make a move on the downside, right? So before we start, how do you get access to the tools that we have? As usual, the first thing is you want to go here to the YouTube channel description. Okay, below here. Below here we have different links. If you want to get access to the auto analysis tool, you'll be able to see here, whereby this is the auto analysis tool that you use for Winsor, and then get access to the BMM version 1 for free. So the BMM version 1, guys, this is only during this period where you can get access to it. You'll watch a video here that will show you how to get access to it, and then I've been able to put directly the link to get the access to the BMM version 2, the software itself. So if you want to get the software itself during this 7 days trial, I'm going to be giving you it for absolutely on a bonus for only $30. So you'll just need to come here, click on that link if you want to get access to the software itself, so that it can be looking the way it looks on my trading view like this. But right now on the free trial, we'll just be looking at, on the free trial, you'll just be taking trades with it so that you can be able to see how exactly it is performing. Okay, so if you want to get access to it, the software itself, you'll get a $30 offer here. So when you click on this link, get BMM version 2, $30 offer, click here. When you click here, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. All right, so you'll see the price here is $50, but here you'll use a coupon code. And how will you use the coupon code? You can be able to see everybody who is using this thing, guys. We have really good reviews here. This is the best BMM course ever, and tools to use, scalping gold, right? This one you're able to work on that. So here you come here, click subscribe, and then where do you put your coupon code? Here, get a coupon code. You put your coupon code here, you put BMM caps BMM 40. If you put BMM 40, apply here, you'll be able to see you'll be given a discount. Right? So with that being said, let's get back into our analysis today. Let's see which pairs do we have, which trade ideas you can be able to participate in and take. I know you're able to see that gold here is giving me a sell, and you're wondering why are we not coming to get into this sell immediately. It's because we have to do our analysis, right? We have to do our analysis. BMM, you just don't come and start getting into the trades anyhowly. You have to do your analysis and confirm that the trade setup that you're taking is actually an A++ setup. All right, the setup that you're taking is actually an A++ setup. All right, so first of all, I'll be able to log in into my portal. right? And then also we have a copy trading platform here. Okay, here whereby I've just funded it with a very low uh, capital so that it can be able to accommodate a lot of guys. So if you want to copy trade, this is an account whereby you can actually copy trade. Okay, so I'll be able to get into the tools here, how I use these tools, market, and then trade ideas. So how I use these tools, they actually just help me by scanning the market. Okay, other than me scanning the markets manually, they help me to scan the markets for me. For example, here you can be able to see we have a GBP AUD on a 1 hour time frame, which is telling me GBP AUD we are looking to buy. So GBP AUD, if I come here on GBP AUD, I want to take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Take a look at the 1 hour time frame. I don't think this will be a buy, because you can be able to see our BMM is actually giving us a sell. Okay, our BMM is giving us a sell. We are in a downtrend. If you take a look at the daily time frame also, okay, I don't think that's an A plus plus setup. So we'll just look at XAU USD, which is gold here, gold on the 15 minutes time frame. It's giving us a double bottom. Okay, you see, remember I was telling you just don't want to get into gold blindly. 15 minutes time frame, it's giving us a double bottom. So also for gold, you can be able to see yesterday we had price breaking this particular low here, right? We had price breaking this, so it's creating a new low. Okay, after creating a new low, it was able also to break this area here, which for me this was an important area. Okay, so when you take a look at, when we say we are buying gold there, I don't think I agree into the buys, but I am inclined into the sells, because you can be able to see we had a break, we had a retest of this area. After having a retest of this area, what you can be able to see now is still price came back and price is refusing to form any other high, right? Any other high. So with gold, if I'm able to see this candle break here, we can expect it at least to push down. Okay, but gold, I like being very, very careful with this thing, because on an overall trend we are actually bullish. Okay, on an overall trend we are actually bullish, so I will not even share this trade idea. And actually I don't like, if you're taking it, just take it low risk. Okay, just take it low risk. But let's take a look at a trade whereby we can actually execute it. But for me, this is what I'm seeing with this gold. Okay, this is exactly what I'm really seeing with this gold. So it has been able to pull back to this supply demand zone. Okay, it has been able to pull back to that demand supply zone. What do you think, guys? Gold, I'm usually very reserved when I'm trading gold. Let me just be honest with you guys. I am usually very reserved. So anyway, if you're taking this trade, you can just take it with some low. Uh, you can take it with low. What do we call low risk? Low risk trade. Okay, just take it low risk. You're going to get into. I'm going to take it on my in some of my accounts here, but I'm going to be getting in low risk on that trade, so that if it hits our stop loss, cannot be able to feel the pinch a lot. All right, apart from gold, let's take a look at something else. Ooh, US 30, it's dumping. Nasdaq also looks like it's dumping. So let's take a look at GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. This is GBP, JPY. GBP, USD. Just main pairs, GU. So this GU. I think for GU here, it's clearly showing us that it's selling, right? It's clearly showing us that it's selling. Can be able to see when it's breaking that channel. Okay. Let me just show you what you can be able to look at on GBP USD. So on GBP USD, you can be able to see like break to the downside, forming new lows, drop. So you can expect it to pull back there so that you can continue dropping, something like that. Okay, something like that. But I want an already trade that is ripe. Euro JPY 4 hours, Euro CHF. Okay, you can look at it you can look at some instruments and analysis. Can be able to take a look at here where AUD USD. What are the technicals for AUD USD on 30 minutes time frame? AUD USD, you can be it's saying that AUD USD will be looking at selling. Okay, so just confirm intraday. AUD USD sells, it's in line with my, I think I love these sells for AUD USD, guys. Right, we have a break. After a break, we have a retest of this zone. So I think if we go on the 15 minutes time frame, you'll be able to see the sells coming in, right? But now the problem is, here we go now, guys. I think this will be a trade like I think this will be a trade like the other one, AUD USD for the sells. Pips there will be 10 pips. Okay, I think this is the type of trades that you're looking at. These are the type of trades that you're looking at. Okay, if you take a look at the 5 minutes time frame, you can be able to see we are actually breaking this channel. Okay, we are breaking this channel. After breaking this channel, if you take a look also here, we are on a downtrend. Ideally we are on a downtrend. I love this because this is a break. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love this because we are having, and these are types of this is what we call, these are the type of trades that we actually take, and these we actually call them A++ setups. Okay, because you can be able to see on AUD USD, this is a break, this is a retest of this zone here, and then we have our BMM confirming to us the sells, right? On the 5 minutes time frame here, we'll be able to see that these are very clear sells. Okay, AUD USD, so you can be able to see these are very clear sells. So we are going to be taking this sell live with you guys on my account here. And as you've been able to see the whole of this week, I've actually been documenting all my trades. All the trades that I'm taking, I have been documenting all of them. Okay, AUD USD, if you have a loss, I've been showing you that I'm experiencing a loss. If you have a take profit, I've been showing you that we're having a take profit. Okay, So let's take a look at this trade idea and see. These are the type of trades that you are calling A++ setups. Okay, these are the type of trades that we call A++ setups. Okay, here it's showing me a reversal. Why? Because take a look at this area has been rejected. Okay, we have this area also being rejected, and yeah, yeah, yeah. So here we have 10 pips. A lot size calculator. Calculator lot size calculator. AUD USD. And as I always tell you guys, not all trades are 100%. So if you're participating into a trade, just make sure that you are following your risk plan. Okay, just make sure that you are following your 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 risk plan. UD USD, lot size of 5. I think he's selling there. Put my stop loss. Stop loss 500. I think that one is good. I think I want to secure a 1:3. So I want to secure 1,500 if all goes as expected. Okay, if all goes as expected. So man, you've done what you're supposed to do. We have just done what you're supposed to do. So we leave it to the market to do what it thinks it can do better. Now this is the one that I'll be able to share on the group, on the Telegram, even on my inner circle community. So guys, if you get in with the $30 offer, you also get in on this inner community. This inner community here, we usually do live trading sessions on Monday, Asian session. This community has a plus 100 and what members. We have here, how many people are in this community? Where can you take a look at the people that are? We have like 170 something guys who are already in this, 180 plus people who are already in this community, right? 100 and something members who are in this community. Okay, and there you get you get to interact with everyone there. You get to talk, you get to communicate, you get to see where you are doing it wrong or where you are doing it right. You get to see where you're doing it wrong or where you're doing it right. Oh my goodness. This will be a very good trade, to be honest. Head. I'm telling you, if it hits our stop loss, yeah, we just call the market the market. But this should be a very good trade. Forming a doji candle here, showing that price is reversing in that particular area. So I like it. 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 If it goes our ways, if it goes our way, we are in business. Okay, if it goes our way, we are in business. So GJ 30 minutes time frame, we're looking at buying, but VP, JPY 30 minutes time frame, we're looking at buys. But I want a clear breakout, okay? I want something that is clearly breaking out, like what you've been able to see with AUD USD. I want something that is clearly breaking out. I want something that is clearly breaking out. I think also GBP USD, we were able to see the same thing. I think GBP USD, we were able to see a breakout also. You see the importance of trading with this thing. Yeah, the importance of trading with this auto analysis system for Winsor. It just gives you all the zones. Take a look. Key levels 1.34, 1.3425, 1.3. Up if we see so technicals, if we see the upward potential likely to be limited by the resistance at these particular zones. Alternative scenario, right now we are looking at short positions below 1.34 something, 1.3470 with targets. Even it's giving you these targets, okay? So we're looking at short positions at 1.3470. 1.3470, okay, 1.3470. Let's put it 1.34, 1.3470, okay, 1.3470. This is where we are looking our shorts from, okay. 1.3470, we have targets to be 1.3440. Take a look at how easy this thing becomes. 1.3, 1.3, targets will be 1.3, 1.3440, 1.3440, 1.3440, 1.3440. That's our target one, with an extension of here 1.3425, 1.34, 1.3425, 1.3425, 1.3425, with that extension there. So if you have this, all you'll be waiting for is, because already price is reacting, you come down and wait and take a look at your BMM. Are you getting sales anywhere with your BMM? Okay, so with this one now, you'll just be waiting for BMM to give you a sell trade idea here. You'll be waiting for BMM to be giving you a sell trade idea. You can even now put this as an alert and say, hey, BMM, if you see a sell idea on GBP USD, just notify me so that we can get into the sells. Okay, and that you can be able to see, and you can be able to see here. Let's see, 15 minutes time frame. I think GBP USD also will be good for our watch list. I like it. I like how it looks like. GBP USD, I like how it looks like. I like the fact that you have a breakout. I like the fact that you're coming to retest this area of interest here, for us to continue with our bearish move. If you look on the 1 hour time frame, we really have some crazy bears coming in. Take a look. Bull, palm retracement, palm retracement. So we can capitalize on these short retracement moves here as we see what happens. I love this type of trading analysis, to be honest. I love it, right? I like it. I like it. It makes your life way much easier, man. Way much easier. Way much easier. Let me see. Let me see on the comments, guys. Drop. For those people who have been following these live trading sessions from Monday up to today on Thursday, how has been your experience? How has been your experience? I think we are done for the London session. Those are enough trade ideas. You don't need to have 1,000,001 trade ideas. Let me switch on to, let me switch to the sections where we can answer questions. So you can just imagine that will be your work. Your work will come 30 minutes, you're analyzing the markets, and you're out and you're gone. Okay, that was a super amazing London session. Let me know if you guys love. Let me know what you think about these sessions. Ask me a question. Do you love it? This is something that people are charging you $500, $1,000, whatever amount. Someone is asking, is this the AI analysis? What do you mean by that question? Is this the AI analysis? What do you mean by that question? How can I get the AI? All right, I'm going to show you how to get the AI. So how to get the AI, this is what you want to do. You want to come here on the description on this live session here. So in the description, there is an offer here that I'm giving you guys here. There's a link here, get BMM version 2, $30 offer. So you come and click here. When you click here, what will be able to happen is it will be able to take you to this page. So on this page, you come, click subscribe, and then put BMM40 as the coupon code. If you put BMM40, you will apply there. It will be able to give you a 30% discount. You can pay with M-Pesa if you're in Kenya, or you can pay with any other payment method based on the country that you're in. I think I've been able to answer that question. Seems you have been golden in time past. We are changing this industry. There's nobody. You show me one person who is doing these live sessions, showing their strategy, showing people exactly what they are doing to be able to take trades ideas, taking trade ideas on a live session. Okay, show me one person who is doing that. Right, someone is saying this is the best learning experience. I thank you, Dennis. Welcome. To be honest, I'm also learning. I'm also like, since I've been doing these live sessions, my trades have actually increased. The win rate has increased. And the reason the win rate has been able to increase is because of one reason. I am becoming more focused in terms of the trades ideas that I'm actually taking. Okay, so yeah, I'm also learning, guys. I'm also learning, and I also want to create an environment whereby it is easier. Like, you don't have to feel like, in order for you to learn, because at the beginning you're learning. So you started paying $1,000, $500, and at the beginning you're learning, you start feeling like you're being ripped off. Okay, yeah, you start feeling the offer is there. It will be there for this 7 days challenge. So, all right, training. What do you mean by training? And guys, on 4th of next month, if you're in Nairobi, I'll be hosting an event at I'll be hosting an event in Westlands at Aspire Center, right? Aspire Center, Westlands, on 4th. So I'm creating a poster for that to be able to give you more details. Ken is saying, please, I urge you, even 7 days are over. Please, let's be doing this 5 times a week. Please, at least we understand. That wins a chat. Right, right. If you're in the inner circle, I'm sure Ken, you're in the inner circle. So the inner circle, I'll continue be doing this. We'll be doing these live trading sessions. Right? We'll continue be doing these live trading sessions. How can I get the AI? I've already explained that. Just reverse this video a little bit. Just go back a little bit. I've already explained on how to get to the AI. Just go in the description. There's a link there. Click on it, and then you'll be able to get access. Right, guys. So I think I will be ending this session now. So have a good day, guys. Let's meet during London session. In the evening. Cheers. Be blessed. That was a super amazing session. Looking forward to catch up with you and interact with you during New York session. Be blessed.